This short video starts off with a turtle survey. In the spring, they sit on this log in the sun, and you can count the population of the pond. Here's 4 of the turtles in repose. The grackle was standing on the far shore, and I zoomed in on it. And then it got a little bit of a visitor that just kind of swam on by. And we finish off with 3 pictures of the phoebe. Phoebes sit on a branch, fly off to catch something, come back to another branch, and so you never get them in the picture for long. But here's 3 pictures of the phoebe sitting on branches in the tree.